Welcome to Session 2 of Configuring your RMS System. In this topic, we will take you through the RMS recommended settings for Sundry Charges. By adding Sundry Charges into your system, you will be able to charge miscellaneous items to your guests. This may include items like breakfast, dinner, minibar, newspapers, rent, or key bonds. The sundries you add will depend on what your property can supply to your guests. There is no limit to the number of sundry charges that you can add to your system. Each sundry charge is linked to an account code, set up in the first section of Session 2. All revenue reporting on sundry charges will be allocated to the account code you select. During this topic, we will take you through how to set up the following 4 types of sundry charges: standard, refundable, additional taxed, and rental. To add sundries, select Setup from the top navigation bar, select Accounting from the list, select Sundries from the sub-list. In our first example, we will add a sundry charge for continental breakfast. Select Add. Enter the description Continental Breakfast. This description is what your guests will see when you charge this item to their account. If the price for your charge is the same every time, enter this into the unit price field. If your charge changes, leave this field as 0. Select your GL AC code from the predefined list. Select your tax type. In this example, we will select Full Tax Applies. We will now choose Save Next. We will now add a refundable sundry charge for key deposit. Enter the description Key Deposit. Enter the amount to charge. Select your GL AC code from the predefined list. Tick the option named Refundable. Choose your tax type. In this example, we will select Tax-Free. We will now choose Save Next. We will now add an additional tax sundry charge. Enter the description Shop Sales. Enter the amount to charge. In this example, as shop sales is a broad description, we will leave the unit price as 0. Select your GL AC code from the predefined list. Choose your tax type. In this example, we will select Tax-Free. Select the Additional Tax tab at the top of the screen. Tick the option Secondary Tax. Enter a description for the tax charge. Select your GL AC code from the predefined list. Enter the tax percentage you wish to charge over and above the amount of the sundry. We will now choose Save Next. We will now add a rental sundry charge. Enter the description Rent. Enter the amount to charge. This will be the weekly, fortnightly, or monthly rental charge. Select your GL AC code from the predefined list. Choose your tax type. In this example, we will select Rent. We will now choose Save Exit. That brings us to the end of the topic Sundry Charges. We will now move on to Topic 3 of Session 2, Configuring your credit cards.